Hello, this is our project for demonstration. We built a complete Reddit-like system using Gleam and Erlang. We also implemented the bonus digital signature feature, which I will show at the end of this demo. First, let me walk you through the part 1 and the main REST API functionality. In part 1, we built the backend Reddit engine using the actor model. This engine handles all system states, including the users, subreddits, posts, etc. We also implemented a simulator that generates many users using ZipF distribution to stress test the system. And now the part 2 exposes this engine through a real REST API. To run the part 2, let us build the Gleam using this command. And now I will be starting a custom HTTP server. This server is built using Lang's gen underscore TCP and passes raw HTTP packets directly. It exposes REST endpoints for registration, posting, commenting, and many more. To run the server, we use this command. Here you can see all the available endpoints on the server side. And in another terminal, I will be running our CLI client. Every action it performs sends real HTTP requests to the server. And to run this, we use the following command. So here, as we can see that there are many available functionalities. Uh, Watch the server logs. Each registration shows up as a real HTTP post request. Uh, Here, there are two usernames or two users that have registered. One is Alice and the other one is Bob. Alice here creates a subreddit named as my sub, and Bob now can also join the same subreddit. Again, you can see the REST request appear on the server side. And Alice can also create a post. This is stored in the engine and is visible to all the subscribers. When Bob fetches his feed, he receives the post because he's a member of the subreddit. And Bob also will be able to comment on Alice's post. Comments support hierarchical structure. Bob can also upvote Alice's post. The engine updates Karma internally, and everything is routed through REST. Users can also send direct messages. Messages are sent and retrieved entirely through our API. And to stop this server side, we should be clicking Control C. Now, I will show you the demonstration of the bonus. To run the bonus, we run the server side command, and also we run the client side on the other part of the terminal. Here here, as you can see, this is Alice's public key in PEM format. Clients can use this to verify their post. When Alice creates a post, the engine digitally signs the content using the private key. When Bob downloads the feed, the signature is verified. This confirms that the post signature matches Alice's public key, ensuring authenticity and preventing tampering. This is the bonus feature, which is RSA based digital signature. During registration, each user receives an RSA 2048 key pair, and this private key stays inside the engine and the public key is retrievable. Here you can also see the crypto features summary, the overall summary, which includes post signing and signature verification. To summarize this whole project, we built a complete Reddit engine, exposed it through a real REST API, and connected it to a CLI over real HTTP. Also, for the bonus, we added the full RSA 2048 digital signatures for posts. This completes our demo. Thank you very much.